Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today I will show you how to install Landing CMS on Ubuntu version 20.4.1. Landing CMS is a simple and cross-platform for management landing pages. It does not use any databases. In this tutorial, we will cover the installation of Landing CMS on Ubuntu 20.4.1. Before installing, check OS version by using below command. This is my OS, Ubuntu 20.4.1. Download Landing CMS file by using below command. The package is downloading. Once completed, check the downloader file by using below command. This is my zip file. Unzip the file by using below command. Once completed, check the unzipped file by using below command. This is my unzipped file. Once completed, move the file to Apache root directory by using below command. Next, I am changing ownership for the file. To change the ownership, type below command. Next, I am change the permission for the file. For that, type below command. Once completed, open the landing configuration file by using below command. In this file, I am going to create virtual host. Once completed, save and quit. After that, I am disabling the default configuration file by using below command. Once completed, I am enabling the landing configuration file by using below command. Once completed, I am going to enable module rewrite by using below command. Once completed, restart the Apache by using below command. After that, go to browser. In here, type now go to CMS. Set a password. save. Yeah, this is my landing CMS page. By this method, installation of landing CMS on Ubuntu comes with an. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. To watch more tutorial, visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.